Hey, so I have been doing this for the last 2 weeks instead of doing game videos. I made a closet or cabin or something like that. And what do I have here? Voila! I have a 3D printer over there. That is a resin printer. And here is a curing machine over there. You can see my reflection. Let's put on the lights. Here we go. I have built on lights to the resin printer station. And I have added workstation. Most of these things are from the IKEA. This is from the IKEA, and also the wood and everything. And also I added, there is like a plastic level over here. If I make a mess, it is much easier to clean this out than the wood. So anyway, it's like that. And also I can take out curing station and the printing station, both, because I need to lift these up before I can reach the objects inside. So this is quite helpful. And also I have a fan up there, if you guys are able to see it over there. It goes up and out. That fan over here, that is 14 centimeter. It's quite small. I probably need to at least increase the rotations or add more power for it to move the air outside more easily. And here is some isopropanol, that is 99% alcohol, denatured. You really shouldn't drink that. And what else? Here is another level for the tools, manuals, and over down here I have few of these IKEA boxes. Here is alcohol where I used to clean it, or I have been trying out it. And yep, let's shut down the lights. Quite nice. And also there is a trash bin over there, small one, 3 liters, and a place to sit. And also the floor, I have a plastic over here if I make a mess. This will help out to clean stuff. So yeah, new hobby. So let's see how it goes. Bye bye.